there was no problem phi. So a jet is flying with the wind, it can travel 996 miles, and so on. So let x be the speed of the jet in calm air, and y the speed of the wind. Flying with the wind, it takes 4 hours, this is a distance. Flying against, it takes 5 hours, this is a distance. First distance, 996. Second distance, 1,085 miles. We have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. You can divide both sides by 4, both sides by 5. You add the 2 equations, the y drops out. You solve, apparently y comes out to be 217. And x came out to be 233. So the jet flies at 233 miles per hour in calm air, and the speed of the wind was 16 miles per hour. The numbers are not easy to guess. That's why I'm glad I found those particular numbers. Okay? You're supposed to work this with algebra. It is more important that you get this through algebra than getting the right answer. So I don't want you to start guessing. It takes crew A 32 hours longer to fill a depression with sand than crew B. If the 2 crews were together, the filling would take 30 hours. How long would each crew take working individually? Let x be the number of hours it takes crew A to fill the depression, and y the number of hours it takes crew B. So 1 over x in 1 hour, 1 over y in 1 hour, 1 over 30 when both crews work together in 1 hour. So y minus x is 32 because x is y plus 32. It takes crew A 32 hours longer than crew B. Longer means more. The portion done by A in 1 hour plus the portion done by crew B in 1 hour is the same as the portion of the job done by both crews in 1 hour, which is right here. Multiply by the least common denominator, distribute, you come up with your quadratic. Do a product sum. Your 2 magic numbers are negative 12, negative 80. You solve this, x is 12 or x is 80. So 80 is a good number because 80 minus 30 is 48, whereas 12 minus 32 would give you a negative number. Then we go to number 3. How many gallons of an 18% acid solution must be added to a 68% acid solution to get 100 gallons of 58%? Let x be the number of gallons of 18%, let y be the number of gallons of 68%. So 18% of x, 0.18 times x, 0.68 times y, and 58%, 100 gallons, so 0.58 times 100. X gallons plus y gallons is 100 gallons. The 0.18 times x plus 0.68 times y is equal to 0.58 times 100. 2 equations and 2 unknowns. This is set up for substitution. Distribute the 68, collect like terms, and do a division. Apparently you get x, which is 20, therefore y is 80. Now I'm going fast. You go ahead, you slow it down, and you check it out step by step. I am limited to 15 minutes on YouTube, unless I request more time. And once upon a time, blah, 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 you've read this. Let x be the number of regular tickets, and let y be the number of senior citizen tickets. The regular price is $19.75. The senior price is $12.25. This is the total revenue from the regular and the senior tickets. And there were 364 less of y than of x. So subtract 364 from x. Regular admission exceeded the senior citizen by 10,339. Exceeded, so if I subtract, I get the following. You have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. You solve them, and you're supposed to get x, which is 784, and y, which is 420. Okay, you want to look at this, be my guest.